Here's a spectacular custom home with an open floor plan. 6702 Clore Lake Road in the Summerfield by the Lake subdivision in Oldham County. This home is on the lake with a gorgeous view. Looking at this home in its current stage of construction, it's really difficult to imagine what this place will look like when it's finished. So we visited an almost exact copy of this amazing home. Wood floors, abundant wood trim, two-story entryway. It has a real wow factor. Here's what the gourmet eat-in kitchen looks like now in the home that's being built, and here's what it will look like when it is finished. Black granite countertops, an abundance of cherry cabinets, a large center island with a gas cooktop and a European-style stainless exhaust hood, stainless steel appliances, pendant lighting, and a whole lot more. This is the hearth room as it's being built, which overlooks the lake with a beautiful view from all windows, and this is the way it will look when it is completed. Here's the family room under construction, and this is the way it will look when completed. The family room will feature a granite fireplace, bookcases, and more breathtaking views of the lake. The first floor also features a formal dining room, and this is the way it will look when it is completed. The second floor master suite features a barrel ceiling and sitting area which walks out to a beautiful covered deck with a perfect view of the lake. And this is generally what the master bedroom will look like when it is completed. This master bedroom closet is actually smaller than the one that's being built right now. It will be amazing. The finished lavish master bath will have a whirlpool tub, separate shower, and double vanity. There'll also be a ceramic tile floor, upgraded light fixtures and faucets. The second floor will also feature 3 large bedrooms. Downstairs, the basement is a daylight walkout with 11-foot high ceilings, framed and ready for finishing. This home is located just minutes from I-71, along with shopping and dining in award-winning Oldham County schools. The combination of brick and stone give the exterior of this home a $1 million look. Construction extras include 2x6 walls, I-joists, and floor and high R-value insulation. There's still plenty of time to customize this house to meet your personal needs. To see 6702 Clore Lake Road in the Summerfield by the Lake subdivision in Oldham County, call the Medley Sokoler team at area code 502-992-4203. I'm Bob Sokoler, the Medley Sokoler team, RE/MAX Properties East.